Okay, guys, so Snapchat released its Q3 2020 earnings earlier today. I'm just going to go through some of the highlights. Um, let's see. So, first, they always give you the disclaimer about forward looking statements. So, basically saying that, they can't predict the future. So, if they tell you something that doesn't bear fruit, you can't really sue them. Go to the highlights. So revenues increased about 50% to 679 million. The average revenue per user increased 28%. Margins improved. Operating margin loss decreased. Net loss came down just a tad. So looks like they're moving in the right direction, although they still lose more money than they take in. Let's see. So business highlights: daily active users grew by 18%. They continue to invest in their Discover platform, so it's that. Looks like maybe okay. So maybe there's some content. Looks like they're getting in the content game, so trying to get more eyeballs to stay on the application and watch shows and sports and things of that nature. So that's where the ad dollars are. So that makes sense. Um, they continue to invest in their camera and augmented reality platforms. Yeah, whoever figures that out, they're gonna win the game. So already seeing that with TikTok, right? Strengthen their ad platform. Yeah, got to figure out a way to make money, and they'll continue to innovate. Yeah, that's what every tech company says. So, revenues. I'll just let you guys kind of take a look at that. Average daily active users, average revenue per user. So North America is where it makes the lion's share of their average revenue per user. So if in that 18% increase, if all the new customers were coming from North America, that explains why the margins got better. Okay, average cost of revenue. Yeah, you gotta put money into the infrastructure. Adjusted operating expenses. Gotta always, if you're a tech company, spend in R&D. And the net loss and adjusted EBITDA. It's earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization. So we looked at it as kind of your operating margins. Okay, adjusted EBITDA. And then the loss per share. And you can see there, looks like they're still issuing stock options. So hey, that'll never stop. Operating cash flow and free cash flow. So they're still burning cash at this point. And due to COVID, they're not offering financial guidance. So I guess that's to be expected. If this was normal times, I would question why they feel they can't provide guidance, but the world is so uncertain. I guess it makes sense. So now let's take a look at the stock chart. So you can see that ever since the pandemic hit, they've been on quite a bit of a run. So moving in the right direction. Analysts, the majority, recommend either to the stock at a buy or outperform. There's only one sell and one underperform. So everything seems to indicate that it's moving higher, at least based on analyst recommendations. We'll see if that changes. Um, I haven't invested in Snapchat before. I probably will continue just to stay on the sidelines. But at any rate, we'll see. take a listen to the earnings call tomorrow. Maybe I'll post it and let me know what you think.